ROCKEYE transforms production management by streamlining scheduling and inventory, improving efficiency, control, and overall manufacturing productivity. Manufacturing performs best with clarity and control. Let's identify hidden inefficiencies that are quietly reducing productivity. When operations rely on spreadsheets, paper records, and disconnected tracking, visibility declines, reporting becomes reactive, scaling becomes difficult, and cost accuracy suffers, limiting overall manufacturing performance. Outdated systems can't support future manufacturing demands. Let's assess how legacy constraints are limiting agility and expansion. Legacy production systems create silos, delay decisions, limit automation, and reduce visibility, making multi-plant coordination difficult, increasing operational risk, and restricting scalability as the business grows. Growth without visibility creates disruption. Let's uncover the key bottlenecks impacting efficiency and profitability. When production relies on spreadsheets and manual processes, visibility declines, resulting in waste, delays, costing errors, traceability gaps, and missed delivery targets. Excellence begins with clarity. Structured workflows turn production orders into consistent, measurable results. The workflow begins with order receipt, followed by planning, BOM setup, and production order creation. Materials are issued, manufacturing is executed, and finished goods are stocked or dispatched, ensuring a smooth, traceable end-to-end process. Production excellence starts with intelligent design, enabling visibility, control, and performance at every stage. Our production solution unifies planning, material structuring, execution, costing, and quality control within a single platform, providing real-time visibility, end-to-end traceability, and optimized performance across all facilities. Efficiency is the result of strong systems. See how smart production management turns control into measurable performance. Our solution boosts operational efficiency, reduces waste, and improves cost control. It delivers real-time visibility, optimized inventory, and better cross-location coordination, driving faster fulfillment and sustainable growth. AI is transforming manufacturing. With ROCKEYE AI, your production gains smarter automation and data-driven control. Spreadsheet-based planning creates errors, limited visibility, and version conflicts. This results in poor forecasting, material shortages, frequent rescheduling, inventory imbalances, and missed delivery commitments. Our AI-driven scheduling engine analyzes orders, capacity, and live data to remove bottlenecks and adjust plans in real time, accelerating planning, boosting output, and improving on-time delivery. Without real-time production visibility, procurement decisions become reactive and disconnected from actual demand, leading to stockouts, last-minute material changes, production slowdowns, shop floor disruptions, and rising waste and downtime. Smart raw material replenishment predicts demand and automates timely purchasing, preventing shortages, reducing excess stock, and keeping production running smoothly. Uncontrolled waste drives overprocurement and higher inventory costs. Manual tracking hides scrap and causes inconsistent output, leading to rework, high rejections, and excess stock buffers. AI-based yield optimization uses real-time production data to identify waste and performance gaps. It adjusts process parameters, reduces material losses, improves consistency, and increases overall yield. Manual job card allocation delays production and overdepends on supervisors. This causes priority gaps, idle operators, manpower imbalance, and poor workforce visibility, limiting efficiency and scalability. Autonomous shop floor task allocation matches operators to tasks using real-time skill and availability data. It adapts to disruptions, balances workloads, reduces idle time, and improves productivity. Production risks are often detected only after delays begin, making planning reactive instead of predictive. This leads to missed targets, higher scrap, delivery delays, and constant priority shifts. AI-driven production risk prediction forecasts delays before order commitment using capacity and historical data, calculating real-time risk and recommending proactive actions. Silos reduce efficiency, integrated collaboration connects planning and execution for smoother production. Entity collaboration unifies teams on one platform, enabling real-time alignment and stronger production performance. See how real-world results across productivity, cost control, quality, and delivery translate into tangible operational success. Our solution drives up to 20% gains in productivity and fulfillment, with 15% improvements in efficiency and cost reduction. ROCKEYE operates globally, supporting enterprises across wherever you operate. Our teams combine local understanding with global best practices to deliver scalable, outcome-driven solutions.